The Diocese of Orange is blessed to join the Green Bench OC Promise to Talk campaign by installing a green bench on the Christ Cathedral campus as a color of mental health awareness. This bench will be a permanent fixture on our campus and demonstrates our ongoing commitment to supporting and accompanying those in need of support in our parishes and communities. Promise to Talk is a mental health stigma reduction initiative that is being implemented by the 3 Providence Orange County hospitals: Mission Hospital, St. Joseph Hospital, and St. Jude Medical Center.
Christ Cathedral's campus is a place where so many people come seeking guidance. As we prepare to bless this bench, I know it will send a powerful message to all who see it, that this is a safe place to speak, get support, and heal.